Okay, this is a message from my Instagram account. It says, "Hello, good evening, Mr. Iken." I think the message came in yesterday. Okay, I think so. Was even on Tuesday. That was a long time ago, but I didn't even check it. Good evening, Mr. Iken. Please, I have this Peugeot 406 2004 model in good condition. Recently, I noticed that when I step on the brakes gently while in gear 4, I kind of hear a misfiring sound at the back. I've checked the plugs and they are all fine. Exhaust is not leaking either. Though when I start the car in the morning, the car starts shaking and stabilizes after like a minute or two. Thanks. Um, as for the one you said, when you start the car in the morning, the car starts shaking and stabilizes after a while. Probably your fuel injectors are very dirty. That's one of the symptoms of dirty or clogged fuel injectors. So I would suggest you have them cleaned, remove them or flush them, back and forth, and put them back. But your ignition coil can also do that. So the best time, okay, just start from the list. The cheapest way of dealing with this, clean your fuel injectors. If it continues, I'll just advise you to go and have the car properly diagnosed. Yeah, have it properly diagnosed. I don't do trial and error, so I don't know what is causing it. It could be ignition coil, it could be anything. So have it properly diagnosed to know what the cause is. I don't know where you stay, in Abuja or any other place. I don't know. So find where somebody can use a good diagnostic tool by start with scanning the vehicle, see what's going on. From whatever fault you find on the ECU, you deal with it. Um, use a fuel pressure gauge to check your fuel pressure to know if it's up to 50 psi. If it's not up to 50 psi, then something is wrong. You also check for the fuel pressure to know if the fuel, what's it called? Fuel pressure regulator, FPR. If your fuel pressure regulator is bad, your fuel pressure gauge will tell you that as well. All these things can affect the combustion or how the engine behaves. So these are the things I would suggest you find out. Just diagnose the car well. This one, they saying you do that. I don't know who is doing the check for you, whether you are the one doing it. I don't subscribe to trial and error. Otherwise, you will kill that vehicle before you know it. If you don't want to be giving people cars, a specialist, you don't want a specialist or people that understand Peugeot cars to be diagnosing your car because of the price or the charges, then buy your own scan tool. You can buy any of the professional scan tools and learn how to use them, or you can buy the generic ones. At least it won't give you a comprehensive scan result, but it's a start. You can work your way up to the professional ones when you are ready financially. I don't know. So just have the car properly diagnosed. That's the best thing I can tell you. Alright, I hope this clears up everything. Have any other problem, you can ask in the video comment section.